we have to find values of x and y. So let's look to our graph. The red square means that we have 90 degrees angle. So we have here triangle. We have given these two angles, so we can find the measure of angle y. So measure of angle y is equal 180 degrees minus 74 degrees minus 90 degrees. One more time, how I get this? Because we have here triangle and measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. That's why measure of angle y is 180 minus 74 minus 90. So now we have that measure of angle y is equal 16 degrees. So y is equal 16. We found y. Now we have to find x. What we have given here? We have these two arrows. It means if you extend these two segments, we will have two parallel lines which are cut by transversal. And we know that if the two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then the pairs of alternate interior angles are congruent. We know that alternate interior angles are angles which are between these two parallel lines and on the opposite sides of our transversal. So if we find y, this angle we found is 16 degrees, it means that that angle has the same measure like this. So here we have 16 degrees. So if we have this angle and here we have right angle, because this red square means that we have 90 degrees angle, we can find measure of angle x, because we have here triangle and we know that the measure of interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write that measure of angle x is equal 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 60 degrees. So measure of angle x is equal 74 degrees. So x is equal 74. We found x and we found y. So this is my solution.